Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no new messages while appearing on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list. From here you need to search for the Messenger. Click on that. From here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Messenger and click on that, and you need to update Messenger application. Once you done that, you simply need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to log in into your Messenger account, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.